Home remedies for cough. Coughing is a common problem caused by cold, throat infection, allergies, dust, or pollution. Here are some effective home remedies to get quick relief from cough. 1. Honey and ginger. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a little ginger juice and take it 2 to 3 times a day. Honey soothes the throat, and ginger has antibacterial properties that help reduce coughing. 2. Tulsi. Holy basil and black pepper tea. Boil 4 to 5 tulsi leaves and 2 to 3 black peppercorns in a cup of water. Strain it, add honey, and drink slowly. 3. Turmeric milk, golden milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a glass of warm milk and drink before bed. Turmeric has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that help with throat irritation. 4. Ginger tea. Boil chopped ginger pieces in water. Add lemon and honey, then drink warm. This soothes the throat and helps clear mucus. 5. Saltwater gargle. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle. It reduces throat irritation and provides relief from coughing. 6. Clove and honey. Roast 2 to 3 cloves, crush them, and mix with honey. Suck on this mixture. It is especially helpful for dry cough. Steam inhalation. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil or Vicks to hot water and inhale the steam. This helps loosen mucus and clear nasal passages. 8. Licorice, mulithi root. Suck on a piece of licorice root or prepare licorice tea. It reduces throat inflammation and soothes cough. 9. Dry ginger and jaggery mix. Mix dry ginger sant powder with jaggery to form small balls. Suck on these to get relief from mucus-related cough. 10. Mint and honey. Extract mint leaf juice and mix it with honey before consuming. This helps loosen mucus and soothes a sore throat. Additional tips. Drink plenty of warm fluids to stay hydrated. Avoid cold foods like ice cream and cold drinks. Wear a mask to protect yourself from dust and pollution. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of proper sleep. If the cough lasts for more than 1 to 2 weeks, produces excessive mucus, or causes breathing difficulty, consult a doctor.